morning. Well, she is. Gas tank out. I bet the bottom of it. So it's ready to take some POR 15. Get the bottom. The top really doesn't get any kind of wear because it's inside the trunk, but the bottom is exposed to the ground, so you need to protect it from corrosion on the underside. So today I'm just going to look at some of the things I hate about this car. So here we go. First thing I hate, these rubber body window seals. I hate them. They're so ugly and they're huge and they're so black and contrasty against the white paint. The car's probably not going to be white in the end anyway, but I just really hate these seals. It has it there in the rear, and it also has it here on the front. So I'm just going to cut those out and remove the glass. Got to do that anyway. And I'm going to replace them with what I had before, which was there's a little groove. There's a seal you can buy that has a little groove in it along here, and it takes a piece of chrome trim and it looks really sharp. So I'm going to do that front and back, and then I'm going to see what I can do on these ones on the side. I think you can also get them for the rear windows. Front, not so sure about, but those rear pop-outs, I think you can get it for that. So that's one thing I hate that's going to be replaced. Another thing I hate is this black steering wheel. I do not like it. The bar for the horn is not correct for this year. There should be like a half moon piece underneath it, and I think the steering wheel should be white. It looks like somebody tried to paint at least the turn signal, because you can sort of see it looks like it's black, but somebody tried to paint it white. Same as the steering column underneath there. So don't like that. Gear shift knob is out, and that also I hate. It should be more slender, and it's got a little white knob on the top. The one I have doesn't have that. So those are a couple of things that I am going to fix and replace on the car. As you can see, all the wings are off, and I've uncovered any kind of body damage. There's a little bit here on the rear bumper mount that has to be replaced, but I don't need to buy a part for that. It's pretty solid. There's a little bit of, Swiss cheese in here, but that's not a big deal. So I'm going to be able to do anything like that with sheet metal. Underneath here, there's a couple of really, really minor holes. Heater channel, obviously, have to replace the entire thing. It's already out. Floor pans are painted. Everything's really solid in here. Might do a little bit of reinforcement here and there since I've got everything out. So this door post probably needs a little bit of repair, but I have to put the heater channel in first before I do that as well. As in here, we've got some rot in the front wheel well. So that's next for this, but this feels so good. I mean, it's a little rough looking just because it's old, right? But it's really solid, and this POR paint is amazing. So that's the stuff right there. POR 15, amazing stuff. Okay.